So for handle cups with the GSWF PPF film, we actually like to use these guys right here. This is a tri-edge switch card. This is the D3 variation. Really flexible head with one of their pre-cut sleeves. This works really well for PPF handle cups. So what I'm going to do, I've already sprayed rinse in here. I've got my two release holes, and then I'm going to use my pressure on demand steamer and heat this up, and then I'm going to hit that with that squeegee. Push nice and hard. Just forcing all that liquid out of my little channel. And there you go. No fuss.
Yeah.